Hello everyone, I hope you are enjoying our university fair. My name is Dayana Villarreal. I'm a UK consultant. And I'm going to speak today about student finance and loan post-Brexit. This is a main topic that concerns specifically to EU students living in the UK or living outside the UK. So let's have a look. What is new for EU students after Brexit? So all EU students that are currently living in the UK or that are going to move to the UK before the 31st of December of 2020 are going to be able to get the same benefits as home student and remain with the same characteristics for student loan, student finance, and fees in the universities. It means that for all of you that are currently living in the UK, as long as you do the pre-settlement status scheme, you are going to be fine to receive a student finance loan for September 2021, January 2021. And the fees for the university are not going to increase for you, as it's going to be the same as a home student. Normally, fee in a bachelor degree is 9,250, and for a postgrad depends on the master. It can vary. What happened with those students that are living outside the UK and that they don't have plans to move anytime this year? So from the 1st of January 2021, all EU students living outside the UK, you must apply for a student visa, UK student visa, and you have to be able to self-fund your studies. It could be with private loans. These private loans could be from your country, even from private companies as a bank, a financial bank in the UK, or any financial sponsors from your countries. Any organization that are able to funding your studies is gonna be acceptable too. These are the main changes for EU students after Brexit. So you have to take into account that if you are living in the UK, you have to make your settlement status. And if you are planning to move before the 31st of December this year, you are going to be able as well to get the same benefits as it used to be before for EU students. So for these students that are going to be able to apply for the student loan, you will have the option to apply for fee and for maintenance loan. So to talk about the fee, student finance is going to cover up to 4 years of your degree. It includes a foundation year or a sandwich year or 1 year abroad, depends on the degree that you have. To apply for this, you have to prove that you have been living in the UK for 3 consecutive years. It has to be consecutive. If you have been living 1 year outside the UK and 2 years in the UK, you are not going to be able to apply for this student loan. You have to wait 1 year more, and up to you complete your 3 years in the UK living here, then you can apply for the student loan. The student loan is going to be payable directly to the university. You are not going to receive any money through your account. The student finance will take care of that tuition fee every year. So you are not going to be like stressed to think about every year how to pay your degree. The loan obviously is repayable because it's a loan, but only when your income is gonna be over £25,000 per year. Once you get this money, obviously this is connected with a tax, government tax. The student finance is going to collect the money directly from your pay slip. And the student finance will cover per year up to 9,250. That's for full-time courses. That's mostly for public universities. And college, normally they have a tuition fee of 6,165 for private providers. Regarding maintenance loans, so this is available mostly to help with your living costs while you are studying. All EU students are going to be eligible as long as they have been living in the UK for 5 years as a minimum. So you can get some maintenance support even though if you are living with your family. This maintenance loan is paid directly to your account by term. So it's gonna be like every 3 months that you're gonna receive this money. And same as the tuition fee, as the fee loan, this maintenance loan is gonna be repayable when you get an income over £25,000 per year. So to give you like an understanding of the money that you will receive in this maintenance loan, if you are living with your parents, you can receive up to £7,529. If you are living on your own, away from home and studying outside London, you will get £8,944. And if you are living in London and living on your own, you are going to receive up to £11,672. This value is per year. If you are studying an accelerated degree course, you could get the tuition fee loan of up to 11,500. This is the value for 2021-22. So how do you get the student finance? So first of all, the most important thing is to have the conditional offer letter or unconditional offer letter from the university. Then you can apply online through the student finance website. Once you send the application to student finance, they will assess your application. They will see if they're gonna need some documents from you to prove your residence. Mainly, they ask for those documents to prove that. And then if everything is right and you are eligible for the student finance, you will receive a letter from them saying how it's gonna be the payments to the university for the fees and how it's gonna be the payment for the maintenance loan. You can apply for the fee and the maintenance loan all together in just one application, or you can simply apply for the tuition fee if you don't require the maintenance loan. So the most important thing is to apply early because the applications are gonna open in February, March, normally, and the deadline is on the 31st of May, 2021. But it's better to apply early because student finance normally they take 1 month to assess the application. They could take longer, and they take around 3 months to pay to the university. And remember that the university will start in September. So normally you have to send your passport. Student Finance will check and valid your EU or your pre-settled status and your residence in the UK. They will, in the form that you are gonna fill, they will check the university and the course details, and also your bank account and national insurance number. So to understand the repayments, you will pay a super small interest rate. So an overview to give you like for the repayments, you will make repayments until your income obviously is over 25,000 a year. If you study a full-time course, you will be due to start repaying in April after graduating or leaving higher education, your university. And the interest rate that you will repay is 9% of that £25,000. Your employee will deduct this from your pay through HM revenue tax system. And if your income will fall of 20,000 or below, your repayment will stop and then will take again when you receive again the 25,000 income. Any standing balance, loan balance, will be canceled after 30 years of the interim repayment. So basically, student finance will give you 30 years to pay back the student loan. And if in those 30 years you don't pay the loan, it will be automatically canceled. So so in this case, for example, during your studies until the repayment, the interest rate is going to be the retail price index plus 3%. If you receive an income, if you haven't received an income of £20,000, the interest rate is going to be only the index. And then when your income is going to be from 25,000 to 41, the interest rate is going to be the index plus up to 3%. That's going to depend on this income. It could be 1%, 2%, or depends. When it's close to the 41K, it's going to be different at 3%. And for an income over 41K, the interest rate is going to be the index plus the 3%. That's it. Thank you for your attention. If you have any more questions about student finance loan, about Brexit, please don't hesitate to contact us. Contact your consultant. Contact info@studying-uk.com for more information. Continue with your fair, and I hope you enjoyed the presentation. Thank you.